2025 junk journal, and I am working on day 6th, which is embossed. So this is what I'm going to do today. And as you can see, my page is ready. I have already did some collaging on top of my page, and I have primed these collages so that there is not much absorption of the ink if I'm trying to apply ink. But first what I'll do is I'll do some embossing, and for embossing I'm going to use this mixed media stencil from Stampedia, and it's called Coffee and Chocolate Daily News, because it's not written on this, so I have written it from hand. And all right, so let's get started. Okay, so everything is dried up, so now it's time. I've decided that I'll put some ink on over it, and this is the color that I'll be using. It's called brown from Nicole's craft store. The image that I'm going to use here, and I'm not going to fussy cut it. I'm going to rip it from hand, and I'm going to use it on the page. So this is the image. Liking it. Okay, so everything is dried, and I have already auditioned this as my focal element, so I'm going to add it here. So guys, this is today's page. No splattering, no other thing. I just want to keep this embossing very raw, as it's showing very nicely on the page. So I hope you like this page. You like today's junk journal January's day 6 embossed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave comments below, share with friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.